Welcome to my class and welcome to my channel. Today, we are to discuss determining the meaning of terminologies using dictionary, thesaurus, and online sources from our Pivot for a Learner's Packet or LEAP. I am your subject teacher, Dr. Janan Ray V. Consignado, and I know that you are all excited to learn new things today. I hope you prepared the following materials: notebook, paper, pen, and of course, our Pivot for a Learner's Packet or LEAP. Our most essential learning competency or MELC is distinguish technical terms used in research. That is our MELC. Our content or core content is using dictionary, thesaurus, and online sources. Introduction. Time frame 40 minutes. Language grows by taking terms from various fields. Each field has a specialized vocabulary that communicates a variety of concepts by means of technical language. This type of language is commonly used in research writing. For this quarter, you will try your hand at developing your own research paper. To be able to write a good one, it is essential to provide clear definitions or explanations for unfamiliar terms. Once you learn how to use dictionaries, thesaurus, and other online sources, defining technical terms will be easy. Let us review. Using the dictionary, using the thesaurus, and using the internet. Now, number 1, using the dictionary. If you're unable to understand the meaning of an unfamiliar word by using context clues, then you should look up the word in a dictionary. Here are tips for proper dictionary usage. Letter A. Look at the preface and notes in your dictionary. The preface contains explanations about the various symbols and abbreviations. Find out what your dictionary has to offer. That is our first tip. B. Good dictionaries include all known definitions of a word. When you are looking up a word, do not stop after you have read the first meaning. Keep reading and look for the meaning that best fits the context of your sentence. Letter C. If the difficult word has a prefix such as an or miss, you may have to look up the root word. Other important entry elements: guide words, main or word entries, parts of speech, restrictive labels, and spelling. Guide words. The words listed in a dictionary are listed in alphabetical order, letter by letter. Pairs of guide words are usually at the top of each set of facing pages. Guide words list the first and last defined word to appear on a page or facing pages. Using guide words help you quickly locate the word you seek. If the guide words on facing pages are symbolic and sympathy, you will have to turn to the next page to find symphonic. Main or word entries. Main entries are the words that are explained in a dictionary. These words appear in boldface, dark type. Main entries may be single words, compound words, abbreviations, affixes, or phrases. Parts of speech. The dictionary uses 9 abbreviations for the parts of speech. N, PRON, VI, VT, interj, conj, ADJ, ADV, and PREP. Restrictive labels. Subject labels tell you that a word has a special meaning when used in a particular field. Mus for music, med for medicine, zool for zoology, etc. Usage labels tell you how a word is used. Slang, colloque for colloquial, dial for dialect, etc. Geographic labels tell you in which region of the country, NE for New England, West, South, etc. The definition applies. Spelling. Not knowing how to spell a word can make it difficult to find in the dictionary, but not impossible. You will be surprised at how quickly you can find most words by following the sounded out spelling. We have here the illustration. Guide word, word entry, pronunciation, restrictive labels, guide word, word meaning, and illustrative sentence. Using the Thesaurus. The best place to look for synonyms and antonyms is the Thesaurus. A thesaurus is, in a sense, the opposite of a dictionary. You go to a dictionary when you know the word but need the definition. You go to a thesaurus when you know the definition but need the word. For example, you might want a word that means fear, the kind of fear that causes more worry than pain. You need a word to complete the following sentence. Ginny experienced a certain amount of fear over the upcoming exam. That is our example. The thesaurus comes in 2 forms, dictionary form and traditional form. If it's in dictionary form, you simply look up the word fear as you would in a dictionary. If, however, you have a traditional thesaurus, you need to first look up the word in the alphabetical index. At the back of the thesaurus, you might find this entry for fear in the index. Fear, 860. Fearful, painful, 830. Timid, 862. The numbers after fear are guide numbers, not page numbers. If you look up number 860 in the body of the thesaurus, you'll find a long list of synonyms for the word fear. Sample thesaurus entry. We have guide word, word entry, part of speech, word meaning, guide word, synonyms, and antonyms. So, instead of using the word fear, the sentence becomes more appropriate by using a synonymous word. Ginny experienced a certain amount of anxiety over the upcoming exam. Using the internet. The internet provides many different types of information. Besides the dictionary and a thesaurus, definitions of terms may also be searched via the www. Moreover, those who have smartphones may download mobile dictionary apps such as Merriam-Webster and Oxford Dictionary of English. We have here the illustrations. Development time frame 30 minutes. Activity 1. Parts of a dictionary entry. Directions. Determine the part of a dictionary entry by using the jumbled letters of the term and the provided meaning. You may also use dictionary from online sources or mobile applications to accomplish this activity. 1. An blank word listed alphabetically shows how a word is spelled and how words of more than one syllable is divided. Number 2. The blank has symbols to show how to say the words. That is our number 2. Number 3. A blank label gives the function or functions of a word. That is our number 3. Number 4. Blank forms such as plurals or the comparative forms are often given. Number 5. Blank definitions or meanings are numbered. That is our number 5. Number 6. An blank sentence or phrase shows how a word is used. Number 7. An blank or word history tells the origin of a word. That is number 7. Number 8. An blank shows which syllables are said with special force. That is number 8. Number 9. Sometimes a blank study shows shades of meaning. That is number 9. Number 10. A blank is spelled the same as another word but has a different origin and meaning. That is number 10. Activity 2. Using a thesaurus. Directions. Use a thesaurus to help you circle out the correct synonym to complete each sentence. You may also use thesaurus from online sources or mobile apps to accomplish this activity. That is our activity 2. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. And number 11. The last number. Engagement. Time frame 90 minutes. Activity 3. Words worth knowing. Directions. The 30 words included in the pool of words below come from specialized areas. Categorize each to complete the table. Determine how many of these words you know well enough to use in your writing and speaking. Then, use a dictionary to look up the meanings of words you do not know. 10 words. We have business, chemistry, geography, health, history, language, law, math, physical science, and religion. Activity 4. Search the term. Directions. Replace the italicized words in the following sentences with their exact specialized terms. Use a dictionary, the internet, and words in the parentheses as your reference. Configuration clues or boxed letters are also given. Example, use a hand to grab the heavy metal ball by the handle and swing it up until it rests against your forearm. Physical fitness. The words. Go ahead. There you have it. Assimilation. Time frame 30 minutes. Activity 5. Word search nutshell. Directions. In relation to the lesson and activities on word search using dictionaries, thesaurus, and online resources, answer the table below. Type of reference. Dictionary, thesaurus, online sources. Assessment. Time frame 40 minutes. Activity 6. Word search nutshell. Directions. The text below is an excerpt of Steve Jobs' "Stay hungry, stay foolish" speech. To understand his message better, look for the meaning of the 8 unfamiliar words in the speech. In doing so, refer to the sample below. We have the word entry, part of speech, meaning, similar word, restrictive, label, guide words, and reference used. Our references for lesson and activities and for illustrations. Also, our Pivot for a Learner's Packet. Special thanks to Miss Lucinda A. Horelia and Mr. Alfonso V. Mabuting. Thank you very much. If you have questions, kindly use our comment section. And please like this video. Handang isip, handa bukas. Sama-sama sa pagsulong ng edukalidad. I am Miss January Consignado, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you, stay safe, healthy, and happy. Bye-bye!